Hi, I'm Rebecca from Jobber. Let's talk about how to follow up on unpaid invoices. You can automatically send your clients an invoice follow-up to prompt them to pay their unpaid invoice. To set up invoice follow-ups, click the gear icon, Settings, and then Notifications. Click Edit to start setting up your invoice follow-up schedule. This is where you can set up 1 or 2 schedules for when you'd like to remind your client about their invoice. Invoice follow-ups will be sent in the same method as the original invoice. Once an invoice is in paid status, no more follow-ups will be sent. The template for the message is located right below the schedules. There are tabs for both email and text message, so you can customize each. Since this is going to be a general message to your clients, you don't want to put specifics about invoices, but instead you can insert variables to automatically fill in details, like the client name or invoice balance. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to check out our Help Center and our other videos.